Hi guys, welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet, and in today's video we will be making pepper shrimp. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurement that we will be using in this video will be listed down below in the description box. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our channel for more videos. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients you will need for the pepper shrimp. I have my shrimp, black pepper, salt, sweet soy sauce. I have some Chinese sauce, ketchup, avocado oil, and if you don't have the avocado oil, you can use any one you have in hand. Old Bay seasoning. I have scallions, celery leaves, jalapeno pepper, sweet pepper. I have some hot pepper. This is really hot, and if you prefer to use more, you can. If you prefer to use less, that can work as well. I have some pimento pepper, onion, garlic, Goya Sazon. I have some honey and ginger juice, and this is freshly squeezed. I like to use the freshly squeezed ginger juice. Gives a really nice flavor to the shrimp. So the first thing we're going to do is get started on preparing our seasoning. Here's a look at how I prepare my seasoning, guys. I'm going to finely chop my celery in a separate container. And for my garlic, I have a smasher here. I'm going to smash my garlic. Here I have my pimento. These are not going to be cut up really tiny. So, as you know, guys, pimento pepper is just a flavored pepper. For pepper shrimp, I like to use a variety of different peppers. For my jalapeno, I'm gonna take the heads off, and I'm gonna keep this in an angle. And you have a choice whether you want to keep your seeds in or you can take them out. I'm going to take a few of them out. This is going to add even a little bit more spice to your pepper shrimp. You want to make sure when you're adding the jalapeno, remember you have the hot pepper as well to add. Here's my jalapeno. Here's a look at how I like to prepare my scallions. Just keep them in an angle. Here's my scallion. Here's my hot pepper. This is my hot pepper, guys. This is how I like to cut my onion. I'm going to keep them at an angle too. And for my sweet pepper, I'm going to take the heads off. The seeds as well. We're going to keep our sweet pepper at an angle too. Here's a quick look at my green seasoning, guys, and all the fresh ingredients that I'm going to be using. My sweet pepper, garlic, celery, pimento, scallions, jalapeno, my hot pepper, and onion. So we're going to head over to the stove now and get started.
Go.
I'm going to turn my stove on to a heavy bottom pot. My stove is on medium heat. First, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my avocado oil. And I'm going to go in with my garlic, my pimento jalapeno, my celery leaf, and here I'm gonna go in with my shrimp.
Before I start this, I'm going to add my sauces. Here I'm adding my Chinese sauce. Here I'm adding my soy sauce.
My ketchup. So after I add all the sauce, I'm going to start adding the dry seasonings to this. I have my Sazon, 1 tablespoon Old Bay. Here's the honey, my ginger juice, and salt. So we're gonna stir this in. This is smelling really, really good, guys. Smelling spicy for sure. So once this is all mixed in, I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 2 minutes before I add my sweet pepper, onion, and my scallions. Notice that I haven't added those as yet. So guys, after 2 minutes, I'm turning my shrimp. And you want to make sure once you add the shrimp to your frying pan, do not allow it to cook more than 10 minutes. Shrimp is one seafood that you don't have to overcook. So I'm going to add my onions, my sweet pepper, my scallions. And I'm going to stir this in and allow the vegetables to cook for about 3 more minutes. You want to make sure your stove is on medium heat throughout this cooking process. So guys, it's been 3 minutes. I am giving this a turn. I want to ensure that all my vegetables and my shrimp is cooked within that 10 minutes period. Otherwise your shrimps is just gonna get rubbery and tough, and it will lose all that nice rich flavor. So this looks done here. In total I've been cooking this for 8 minutes, and I'm gonna turn my stove off right now.
So guys, here's the end result of our pepper shrimp recipe. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. As usual, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
Bye! Comment down below.
See you next time.
See you next